didn't see you sneaking up on me. My name's Wiglaf, the Wood Wizard of the North. And you, my friend, stand in the face of Wiglaf's Woodwork of the North. Here at Wiglaf's, we use only the finest quality sticks located in our lush Houston forests to make your staffs and wands of tomorrow. You may be asking yourself, how do I spice up my daily dose of life with a little bit of magic, you say? Well, I'm going to stop you right there. And I'm going to ask you to show me a stick like this. And I'll show you one like this. This, Wiglaf's wands, run for 5 tickets and come complete with their own lore about where they came from, why they're there, and why they're so magical. Wiglaf's staffs run for 20 tickets, perfect for walking and any magic in your daily life. So I say to you, do you want to live in your boring world of sticks? And I say, go! You go to Wiglaf for your magical needs! Signing off from CNN News, this is Wiglaf, the Wood Wizard of the North.